Indima 2, Umboniso 1, Act 2, Scene 1, taking place Zwilakhe at Zwilakhe's home, Obusuku on the night, Obulandela, following Obomchato, the wedding at the Ngoqo home. Magaba and her husband, Bahleli, are seated, Bexoxa, discussing the fact that Gugulethu kufuneka efune umfazi, that it is time Gugulethu found a wife. Hina Khadebe, calling him, Teta, speak. Ucinga ntoni ngoGugulethu lo, and what do you think of Gugulethu? Mayela, what about him? Nditsho kuba kaloku ndimdala noko ngoku. I'm saying that I'm getting older now, and kwaye Nozipho uzakuya esikolweni, and Nozipho will be going to school. By that we mean a college. Kulo nyaka uzayo, next year, akuphumelela once she has passed ibanga lesithandathu. Ke uGugulethu ungena phi kwezi zinto? And where does Gugulethu come into all of this? Oh, we are phoxa ke ngoku. You being obtuse. Uyayiqonda le nto ndiyithethayo. You understand what I am saying. Ndithethela kwinto, I'm talking about this, namely that uGugulethu mdala is getting older, and kufuneka etshatile, and it is that he should get married. Oh, uthetha ukuba makatshate? Are you saying that he should get married? When ndithetha loo nto, that is what I'm saying. Kunjalo nje, kudala undivile, and as a matter of fact, kudala undivile. You have known about it for a long time. You've been hearing me for a long time. Kodwa usadlala nje ngam, but you're just playing around with me. Uthi ngaba uGugulethu uyayicinga into yomfazi? Are you saying that maybe Gugulethu is thinking about a wife? Mhlawumbe kaloku ulindele ukude kuthethe thina. Perhaps he's waiting for us to speak. Mna ndithi noko. Nonetheless, I say that he should get married now. Andazi ke nokuba wena unolunye uluvo na, and I don't know whether you have any other opinion. Hayi, unyanisile. No, you are quite right. Nam eneneni ndiyabona. Me too, indeed. I realize that ufikile exabisweni lokutshata, that he has reached the age of marriage. Ke masikhawulezise. Let's hurry it up. Simxelele kwangoku and tell him right now, sisayicingayo le nto, whilst we are still thinking about this. Kufuneka sibize amawethu. We must first call the elders of the family, siwaxelele, and tell them. Kaloku kufuneka siyibhekise kuye, but we must first put it to him, phambi kokubiza amahlubi, before calling the amahlubi, the elders. Khona ukuze, so that sive olwakhe uluvo, so that we can hear his opinion. Ke uthi makaxelelwe nini? And when do you think he should be told? Kulungile ke angaxelelwa nakusasa. All right, then he can be told even in the morning, as soon as the morning breaks. Uza kumbonela intombi okanye uza kuzibonela ngokwakhe? Are you going to choose a girl for him, or will he choose his own? Andazi, I don't know. Ucinga ntoni wena? And what do you think? Ungathini ukuthi akwazi? What do you mean by saying you don't know? Ndiyintoni mna emcimbini? What am I in the matter? Kaloku ungunina. You are the mother, after all. Into ethini ke leyo? And what does that mean? Ithi makabonelwe ndim umfazi. Does that mean that I must choose the wife? Kaloku kusenokwenzeka ukuba, it could happen that kukho intombi, that there is a girl for whom you have in mind, literally whom you like for Gugulethu. Nanjengomntu ozazi kakuhle, being someone who knows the girls zalapha ezazulwana of here, zazulwana kakuhle, well, kuba andithandi, because I would not like uGugulethu afune umfazi kude, to find a wife far away. Eneneni ndingatsho ukuthi, indeed I can say that there is a girl endiyithandela whom I have in mind for Gugulethu. Yiphi loo ntombi? And who is that girl? Ukuba bekunokuthiwa makabonelwe ndim, if it was so said that she had to be chosen by me, or that I would have to choose for him, I would direct him, I would point him towards intombi kamXhothama, the Mxhothama girl, Thobeka. Ubufanele ubufazi lo mntwana. She is most suitable for wifehood, that child. Ukhuthele, she is diligent. Uthobile, she is humble. Uthetha kamnandi nabantu, she speaks well with people. Lihomba, she is neatly dressed. Unesidima, and she has been well brought up. She's well mannered. Ngaba yintoni enye efunekayo emfazini? What else is required of a wife? Phofu ke, however, mhlawumbi, perhaps, uGugulethu unolunye uluvo, has another opinion. Kodwa mna andiboni ntombi yimbi. But as for me, I cannot see any other girl. Tyhini uyazi ukuba unyanisile. You know, you are right. Yintombi lamntana. That is a real girl. Bonke abantu bayathetha ngesimilo sakhe. Everyone speaks of her character. Ndiyakunqinela mfazi. No, I go along with you, wife. Phofu yena masimxelele nje. However, we must just tell him ukuba that ixesha lokuba atshate lifikile. We must just tell him that the time for him to get married has arrived. Singamxeleli, and not tell him. Singamxeleli nto ngalo mntana kaMxhothama, and not tell him anything about the Mxhothama girl or child. Mhlawumbi amawethu, perhaps the elders angayichasa le ntombi. Perhaps the elders could oppose this girl. Xa amahlubi eyichasa uyakuthini? And if the amahlubi, the elders, oppose her, what will you do? Andazi kaloku. I don't really know. Mna zinkosi. Not really addressing anyone in particular, but just a term of means of expression. As for me, andikhathali nokuba kukho umntu oyichasayo le ntombi. I don't care if there is anyone who opposes this Mxhothama girl. Ndifuna ibe yiyo umolokozana wam. I want her to be my daughter-in-law. Hayi mfazi, nam besendibuza nje. No, dear wife, I was just asking, uGugulethu uza kutshata nentombi kaMchotama. He will marry the Mchotama girl. Ndiza kuyimela loo nto. I will stand by that. Nokuba umntu sele sithini na, no matter what anybody else says. Into endiyithethileyo, what I have said, iza kwenzeka, will happen, will take place. Ndingavuya xa kunokuba njalo. I would be glad if that could be so. Hayi bo Rhadebe. No then, Rhadebe, masilale ke ngoku. Let's now go to bed. Kusebusuku, it's late. Kulungile, all right? Cima isibane eso. Put out that light, which then Magaba does.